What's going on, guys? It's Joey again, and we have a problem with the Challenger today. You can see this is called the hood seal. It's basically a piece of rubber that connects to the front nose cone portion of the car, and it goes in between the hood and the front. So you can see where it's supposed to go. I think it's just a common thing. So I went and bought another one for $30. So I'm going to show you how to put it back on. This is me trying to tape it, but it did not work. You can see where it's ripped. But I bought another one here, and I'll put the link in the description below. There's a company called Detroit Muscle, and they make these and actually come with the plastic pot rivets. So you actually need these to put these on. And you also need a plastic pot rivet tool, which you can get on Amazon for like $18, I think. So you can see these are put in here with pop rivets, and we're going to need a screwdriver to kind of break the heads off of here so we can pull this piece off and put the new one on. So after you break all the heads off, you should be able to just push these ends of the rivets through. Well, you may not be able to. Most of them should pop through. Try to get this one out. Okay, so I'm going to line this up and start putting in these rivets back in, the new ones. So I'm going to try to put the ends in first and then try to work my way through just so it's tight all the way across. So what I'm doing is I started here with this rivet gun thing, and I put the first two in. You just basically work your way across and keep it tight all the way across just so you're consistent. Now the way this thing works, it just slides on the end and make sure it's tight, and you just squeeze it a couple times and it'll push that rivet in the hole, and then it'll break it off. If I can get it to do it on camera. See, and now you got a rivet, and now the end comes out. So we'll do that all the way across. So that's it. I went ahead and just pot riveted all these in all the way down. Just do it like I showed you before. The ones in the corner is a little hard. You kind of break them just a little bit outside and not flush, but because the tool can't reach in there. But otherwise, it looks good. There's no more rips or tears. And yeah, I'll show you what the hood looks like with closed. So we're good again on our hood seal. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. Take care and have a nice day.